alpha to alpha? Can you please say that? It is 200 330 200 330
064.
06. So 2 parts is over, right? Yes, alpha to beta is over. T alpha to alpha is over. Now S composition alpha to beta. This we have to do. What is S composition T alpha to beta? First S matrix for S, then matrix for T, followed by. Okay. But T you know very well, it is from alpha to alpha. S only is from alpha to beta. So be careful while you're writing. Don't here write again alpha to beta. T is only from alpha to alpha because both sides you have the same vector space. So you have to multiply these two matrices to get the matrix corresponding to S composition T. Can you do that and say me? Just multiply those two matrices and tell me the result. This matrix and this matrix. S is already there. This is already there. So multiply and give me the result. Are you doing? Multiply those two matrices.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 20 minus 6.
Okay, 20
Minus 6.
second row.
266.
Okay,
004.
0. Is this correct, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll go back to the next question. One more question is there. What is that question? For the vector spaces P1 of R and R square, choose the basis alpha is equal to 1 comma x for P1 of R, beta is equal to E1 comma E2 for R square. Let T from P1 of R to R square be the linear transformation. Transformation is also defined. Show that T is invertible. Better you can start with second one. T alpha to beta first you find, right? Then find the inverse of T alpha to beta. If that exists, then you can say T is invertible, right? Then what is T inverse of alpha to beta to alpha? T inverse of beta to alpha. See, T is from P1 to R square. So T inverse will be from R square to P1, right? So they are asking the matrix for T inverse of beta to alpha. So here beta, here alpha. So that is nothing but find T alpha to beta and find the inverse of them. Right? So okay, we'll do this question. 4.17. T is from P1 of R to R square. Right? Okay. What is the basis they have given? Transformation is first of all, okay, alpha, beta, I know. T of A plus Bx is A comma A plus B. T of A plus Bx is A comma A plus B. Okay. Alpha is 1x, beta is E1, E2. Okay, wow. So you have to find T alpha to beta. Shall we do it? Make it fast. Time is up. What is the time? 8:47. 3 minutes. I'll make it fast. So first I'll take alpha to beta, right? So first I'll take T of 1. T of 1 is nothing but T of 1 plus 0x. Is this right? This format I have to take, right?
Yes.
1 is also a polynomial of P1 of R, but it's a constant polynomial. So T of 1 plus 0x. So A is 1, B is 0. Where does this gets mapped? It is mapped onto A is 1, yeah, B is 0.
1, 1.
1 comma. So it is 1 E1 plus 1 E2. I'll be very fast. T of x. T of x is T of 0 into 1 plus 1 into x. That means A is 0, B is 1. It is
0.
mapped on 0, 1. So it is 0 E1 plus 1 E2. So T alpha to beta is very simple. What? 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, is this matrix invertible first of all? Determinant of T alpha to beta is 1 not equal to 0. Okay, va? So therefore T alpha to beta has inverse, and hence T inverse exists. T inverse exists. So now I need T inverse beta to alpha, right? So that is nothing but take the matrix T alpha to beta and find the inverse of this matrix. Can you find the inverse of this matrix? How to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix here? 1001 is there. Very simple. 1 minute time.
I'm swapping the rows.
Swapping the rows are.
No, ma'am, it is like swapping the A22 with A21. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I don't.
Don't remember. What about others? Nobody remember this.
1, 0 minus 1, 1.
I'm using elementary matrix.
Yes, tell me. Correct. You are right. 1, 0.
Minus 1, 1.
Okay. How do you got this? These two elements you have to what? Interchange, and these two elements you have to change the sign. Okay. So T inverse beta to alpha is T alpha beta the whole inverse, which is 1 0 minus 1 11. What is that? 1 0 minus 1 1. Divided by determinant, but determinant is 1. Okay, this is the inverse. That's all we completed. Okay, you can leave the meeting. Sorry, I've taken extra time, I think. Very sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry, Pa. So I